So if you haven't used Leonardo AI's live canvas feature, this video is going to be a blast because it will blow you away. It certainly did for me. So what you want to do initially to start using it is head over to leonardoai and then sign up if you haven't already. And once you do, launch the app, then you'll be taken to this main screen here. And then on the left, you want to click on live canvas. First, I'm going to emulate this particular cat drawing here. So you see that cat, it's really cute. I'm not good at drawing. I don't know how on earth to draw, but we're going to see what it looks like when we put that into Leonardo AI. Okay, and then round face. I think that's an okay cat, right? It's pretty terrible, but it's okay. All right, so now let's go in with even a specific breed of cat, like a Russian blue. So let's try that. A Russian blue cat. Bokeh. Let's see if it can do effects. Okay, it can. Sunshine, diffuse lighting. Hey, that's pretty good. And then let's turn the creativity strength up, which you can do. So the more you go higher on the creativity strength scale, the more you're giving the power to AI to, you know, come up with its own artistic rendition based on your drawing. But the less you do, then it basically looks exactly the same as my drawing, right? But the higher I go, slowly but surely, it will start to change. You can see at 0.46, it starts to take on the form of a cat. And if you go up slowly, you start to see, starts to turn into a full-on Russian blue cat, which is incredible. And that's really amazing. And these are the different styles. So these are the different photo styles. So let's try anime. That's really freaking cute. You know what I'm going to do to make it cuter? I want to say a Russian blue kitten. Because kittens are cuter than full-grown cats, of course. Russian blue kitten. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. And cinematic. Concept art. Dynamic. Environment. Ooh, okay. What's the cutest? Let me know in the comments below out of all of these different styles that we're going through. Photography. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that is amazing, actually. Product. But yeah, that is a really cute cat. Let me know, cuteness scale out of 10. Right, moving on to another particular style of image now. So we get rid of the prompt to reset, and then we just go here and make sure that we go to the maximum thickness of 200, and then we can just remove whatever we've done and start again. All right, so let's try another example now. So let's do like a stick man drawing. So this is human this time, not animal. Say it's just one guy or two people. Yeah, let's do two people. And let's say that they're like in a fight or something. So let's see this guy like that, and then his body's like that. Let's do a boxing ring now. Okay, I'm absolutely terrible at drawing. Two people fighting in a boxing ring. Ooh, kind of got it right. That's cool. Las Vegas MGM Arena. And let's try different styles. So cinematic, okay. Anime. What on earth? Concept art. Wow, okay, that guy's face really looks messed up. Dynamic. Wow, okay, interesting. And let's dial back the creative strength and see what happens. It's kind of got it. So yeah, that's live canvas. I've gone through two images, quite interesting. The first one was the cutest, of course, the Russian blue kitten, a cat and then kitten, and then some boxing examples. So if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe. I've been Vay, and till next time, thanks for watching.